Verizon's satellite texting service allows you to send and receive SMS messages when you're outside cellular range. It's part of their direct-to-device D2D satellite connectivity and works through low Earth orbit LEO satellites. No need for extra equipment. It's built into certain smartphones. As of November 2025, this service is available in over 100 countries and territories. To use it, you'll need a compatible phone, like recent iPhones, Pixels, or Galaxy models, a Verizon plan that includes satellite texting, and a clear view of the sky to connect to a satellite. This technology is useful in remote areas, during emergencies, or when cellular networks are down. Your phone connects directly to LEO satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites relay signals to ground stations, which then route your message through Verizon's network. This happens using a satellite modem built into compatible phones. Keep in mind that satellite texting isn't as fast as regular texting. Messages can take 10 to 30 seconds to send. Also, it uses more battery, and you need a clear view of the sky. Verizon offers satellite messaging for around $10 a month. While it's not a replacement for full internet access like Starlink, it's excellent for basic communication in emergencies when you have no cell signal.